Stumps Hot Rods. I figured today I would film putting the seat cushion on, putting the webbing the way it should be on this MG seat. Here's the seat cushion. I do have brand new seat covers. I was originally going to reuse the seat covers, but the moused one was too far gone. So here we have a new seat cover. Like I said, the foam is still good. So if we can get this situated on here, clipped and stretched out, we'll have a nice looking seat. Watch me struggle through this. I've never done any seat covering before. So yeah, I'm just gonna fight my way through it. Now, this piece of metal really goes, the webbing, it goes in the ends of the webbing, kind of holds them all in one continuous unit instead of right now where they're kind of independently floppy. I just cut these to length and put them in here for mock-up, so they're not in there permanently. So I'm going to try to keep these in the order that I take them because they're all individually cut to length. Structure, and then the tension pulls it out when you clip it to the sides of the seat frame. Now, this one, I don't know that's going to work. Yeah, this one's extra tight, so me not having enough room for this one. I might just have to remake this one. Take that out. Use this. And maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. However, that's really... There we go. Okay, so clip our front to backs on, you'll see, whoops, how this is supposed to work. Now I know that there's a weaving pattern, because you can go in the front to back. You can take those and weave them in and out. So I think if we do under, over, and then these are tight enough. Go. Alright, how about that? We have every one of them attached. Now this flexes up and down almost like a seat spring. That's what it's meant to do. It'll hold you off the floor in your car.